Rose Petals concept. You're familiar that we do weddings on location all over Trinidad and Tobago. Today I'm going to take you on a special ride with us as we do two weddings, one in the Hollows, 11 a.m. So you know, as Rose Petals, we are there at 10 a.m. And then the second one is in Blanchisseuse. And we are going to do something really special. We're going to be doing a camp and cook in Blanchisseuse. So you're going to come along with us and see how Rose Petals get it done. Weddings done on location all over Trinidad and Tobago. Come with us. I dropped in at the Legal Affairs Department to register a few weddings before I go on my location. How you doing? We are at the Hollows to do our first wedding at that location. It's a few minutes to 11 and the bride is in the area, and Rose Petals is about to do its first wedding for the day. The primary concept is to make weddings affordable and available, and Rose Petals, we do weddings on location all over Trinidad and Tobago. Once you find a location that you feel comfortable with, we will come at your location and ensure that your wedding is done exactly the way you want it to be done. And the Hollows is an area that is available to us, to the public, to have your nuptials done, and we take full advantage of that privilege. And today our wedding would be done at this location. One hour later, I finally made it to Blanchisseuse. Second wedding is about to begin. This couple chose a beach wedding, very scenic location, and we were overdone with. The day is finally over and I am here at the beach to camp, to spend the night. I'll set up my tent on this spot, and that is going to be my view tonight and in the morning. This is what happens when the wedding went late and you had to set up in the night. But camp is up and we're eating good tonight. This is gonna morph into a cot inside, and I'll be in my sleeping bag. I'm gonna try without the rain fly. I camped here once before without the rain fly, and I had to get up late in the night to put on the rain fly because rain fell. But nevertheless, I am hoping to be under the stars and enjoy the sound of the waves tonight. So this is what we have. I'm gonna eat, watch some YouTube, and set lead for the night. See you tomorrow. If nothing happens, which I hope nothing happens, see you tomorrow. Good morning. I was up for about the past 45 minutes. I got up at 5, trying to get a sunrise over the sea, and I realized this little peninsula is blocking the sun, so I'll probably be getting a sunrise over the land. So I'm just peeping out of the door of my tent, and I will be going for a swim in a while. It was a beautiful night, very restful. Got up about twice. At my age, you know the reason. And I slept all the way through. Very restful. I damaged my tablet last night. I slept on it, so I have to get another one. And the day is about to begin. Now that's the best I am going to get of this sunrise over the sea. That's it right there. It's happening. It's happening. So I got a sunrise over the sea. Oh my goodness. Look it unfold. Just as I spoke about it, that the peninsula was blocking it, it showed itself. This is the second recorded sunrise over the sea I could remember. I live always in the south, and I could only see sunrise over land. And you know, the sunrise over the sea is really spectacular for me, and it's probably the second recorded one I have ever seen. I deliberately try to get as much as possible. It's beautiful. Just came in from my shower in the sea. First bath for the day, probably the last. I want to go snorkeling, but I'm not sure. My wife banned me from snorkeling alone, but she's not here, so I can't. She wouldn't see. But just finished my first dip in the sea. It was really good. I was told that last night turtles came up and laid eggs, and they didn't call me. They didn't, you know, they didn't tell me anything. The turtles didn't tell me anything. So if you're a turtle out there and you're watching this on YouTube, just remember the next time you come up and lay eggs and I'm on the beach, call first, so that at least, you know, I could cheer you on. But the beach is wonderful. I'm not going to take down the tent until the sun hits it a little bit and dry off the condensation on the tent. Going to take a shower and then cook breakfast, and the rest. It's Friday, so I could do what I want today. No weddings. I was told by some conservationists that turtles came up and laid eggs last night. So I didn't know. I slept through that. So a lot of activities are happening around me, and I'm not necessarily interested in turtle laying eggs. I think that's a private matter for the turtle. But I'm just glad that you know, I was a part of this history-making experience. Okay, I'm all packed up. The ground is clear. Leave no trace, and I'm ready to get out of Blanchisseuse. Thank you for a wonderful night. Rose Petals, weddings done on location all over Trinidad and Tobago. Call us 795-5111 or 730-1700. Rose Petals, peace out.